In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces with Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to load your images, run a clean swap, and get results that look natural. I'll walk you through each click, explain what the tool expects, and share quick tips so you avoid the most common pitfalls. First, open your browser and head to Higgsfield AI. Give the page a second to load fully so all of the navigation options appear. If you're on a desktop, you'll see a simple top menu. On mobile, the same options are typically tucked behind a menu icon. Make sure your connection is stable and any content blockers are paused because these tools need to load scripts and previews to work smoothly. Next, on the top navigation, hover over the character section. This opens the creative tools that work with portraits. If you're not using a mouse, a quick tap on characters should reveal the same options. You're looking for face swap in that menu. This is the feature designed specifically to place one face onto another photo or frame. Go ahead and click Face Swap. The tool's interface will open with two image pickers. You'll see one labeled Target Image. Click that, choose the image from your device, and then click Open. The target is the destination photo, the picture where the new face will appear. For best results, pick a target with a clear, well-lit face, minimal obstructions like hats or hair across the eyes, and a head that isn't too small in the frame. Matching angles between your two photos helps the AI align features more convincingly. Now click on your photo, choose the image that contains the face you want to transfer, and click Open. This is the source face. Try to use a sharp front-facing shot with neutral lighting and no heavy filters or sunglasses. If the person is smiling or turned significantly, the AI can still work, but subtle, evenly lit expressions tend to blend more naturally. Always make sure you have permission to use any face you upload and respect local guidelines and platform policies. When both images are loaded, click Face Swap for free. The system will process for a moment and then display the composite. If the result looks off, maybe the angle is mismatched or the lighting clashes, simply pick a clearer target or a sharper source and try again. Small changes like choosing a photo where the eyes are unobstructed can dramatically improve alignment. That's all there is to it. With the right pair of images, Higgsfield AI produces quick, convincing swaps without extra setup.